First, I will heat the bread to the microwave for 5 seconds. And then turn on. Nee. 10 seconds only. Okay. Start. This is my Milo. Drinking. Finished already. Up. Paano ko yan kukunan? Then second, open the mayonnaise. Open na the mayonnaise. This sandwich is for my baby bear. Just spread the mayonnaise. Spread all over. Just spread lang. Just spread. Tastes good lang. Okay, enough. Close. Balik natin sa kabilang fridge. Ouch! Sabi yung fridge ko yan yung sa mga yung pa isa. Okay? Ayan, paano ko na siya kukunan? I-pause ko muna, baby. Okay, ayan. I-slice ko na yung hotdog. Ayan. Tapos i-slice. Ayan. Lagay dito. Pagsasalampak lang ng ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. Okay na yan. Enough na yan. So much na. Yan. Ilipat natin sa kabilang plato para ma-cover. Yes. Hotdog mo, baby! Sandwich. Good. Milo mo. Clear natin yung gas. May excess hotdog. Okay. This is for my baby bear. Mama's sandwich. Okay.